Hey everybody, Kelly, Flip with Kelly coming at you. How's everybody doing today? It is Sunday night here, after 8 o'clock. But, yeah, wow, what a week. We got a deal closed. It's a small 5K assignment, but hey, it's better than 0K any day, any week of the day. So, yeah, was that ever something else? And then turned right around. I don't know if it was the next day or the day after. We got one locked up. Another deal. So, I don't know. Most of my deals come from letters, but yeah, I have been documenting this stuff a little more. So, just kind of like, where did the lead come from, and how much is all the after repair value, all that type of stuff. So, very interesting. And tomorrow I'm gonna look into the wave dialer and see if get that set up, see if I want to use that or not. Most likely will. And yeah, we got lots of stuff to do. So been a crazy week. Partners got some cash buyers walking through tomorrow. Getting to work on the dispo right away. So I've got it locked up. That's the thing to do. Get that non-refundable EMD and the assignment of contract signed. Get that down to the title and just keep that ball rolling. So, also the weather's starting to shape up out there, so be delivering some business cards in a Ziploc bag. I hear some other people are putting flyers in a bag, so I guess whatever form of paper you want to use, if you can fit it in a bag. Anyways, yeah, not a whole lot more to say about that. If you have any interest, I could send you a word-for-word script of the maybe I could just read it off to you here. Let's see if I can find it quick. Yeah, and this seller, the deal we just closed, he's got like a handful more properties, 5-10 more properties. I think as far as for the capital gains, though, he might only want to sell one a year. Hey, they're his properties. He can do whatever he wants with them, right? But now we've proven ourselves on this deal, so you might want to do more deals with us here. So that's a good thing. Where did that go? Just on here. Might be on page 2. Had this all documented, and must be on page 2. Let me try page 2. And no, that's not me. That's somebody else. Here it is. All right, so this is the one that we currently just got under contract. Oh, this is a good negotiation script for y'all. So the seller wanted, well, at first the seller, Geneva, she wanted, she mentioned 90-95, and then my partner was thinking 85-90, so I'm like, well, how about we just meet in the middle at 90? And then she's like, oh, I gotta call my realtor and see what she thinks for comps. And then she come back, she's like, oh, no, I want 115. I'm like, oh, I'm thinking to myself, oh, great. We were able to negotiate her down to 95, which wasn't the original 90 I was seeking after, but 95 is a lot better than 115. What is that, like a 20K difference? So, not bad negotiation, but let me read it to you. This is, this is a texting conversation I had with the seller, getting her down from the 115 down 95. Geneva, my partner, wanted to know if we could be inheriting a tenant. Seller said yes, or if we would be. Okay, sorry, don't should have asked this before, which we should have done our homework a little better, but how much is the rent and what kind of lease are they on, month to month, or, and seller said $750 month to month. Okay, does that include utilities? Tenant, or the seller said I pay the water. And I'm like, okay, does the tenant pay for garbage removal or a garbage can? Seller's like, no. I said, okay, so water and garbage is included in the rent. Anything else? Seller, nope, that's it. Great, you mentioned 90 to 95. Anyways, I don't know if I want to read this whole thing. For one thing, I should be saying my name. The way I've got this written out, it's a little different. But if you want the entire script, I'll send it to you. Just put in the comments below your email, or you can go through my WAP link down in the description there, and I'll send that over to you. But it's getting late, and I'm gonna be retiring here shortly, so you guys have yourselves a great rest of your day. If you found any value, please smash the like button and subscribe, and we'll talk to you tomorrow probably. Okay, bye.